Are you ready to embark on a new business venture? Successfully preparing involves identifying opportunities, generating ideas, and applying relevant models. This video will guide you through these essential steps. Identifying new business opportunities is the first step in preparing for a venture. Opportunities can arise in new services, products, and models. On-demand, digital, and sustainable services are trending. Technological and eco-friendly products are in demand. Subscription and platform models offer new revenue streams. Generating viable business ideas requires creativity and systematic thinking. Techniques like brainstorming, market research, and SWOT analysis are useful. Scamper encourages improvement of existing products. Customer feedback provides insights for innovation. These methods help in generating effective ideas. Peter Drucker identified 7 sources of innovation for entrepreneurs. These include unexpected events, incongruities, and process needs. Changes in industry structure and demographics also drive innovation. Shifts in perception and new knowledge offer further opportunities. Understanding these sources can guide idea generation. Internal sources include unexpected successes or failures. Incongruities between reality and expectations can lead to innovations. Process needs highlight inefficiencies that can be addressed. Industry structure changes open new avenues. Entrepreneurs should be alert to these internal cues. External sources include changes in demographics and perceptions. Advances in knowledge provide new opportunities. Demographic shifts drive demand for new products. Environmental awareness shifts consumer perceptions. Entrepreneurs must stay informed about these external trends. Drucker's framework helps identify entrepreneurial ideas. Unexpected events can inspire new apps or services. Incongruities highlight gaps in existing markets. Process improvements can streamline industries. Demographic changes offer new market segments. Ideas inspired by Drucker's framework include on-demand repair apps. Online tutoring platforms address accessibility gaps. Blockchain can improve supply chain efficiency. Subscription services disrupt traditional retail. Virtual reality fitness targets aging demographics. A startup plan includes an executive summary and business description. Market analysis and organizational management are crucial. Sales strategies and funding requirements must be outlined. Financial projections and brand development are key. Identifying target customers is essential. Brand development aligns with business strategy. Identifying target customers shapes the brand. Research informs brand positioning. Messaging strategy communicates brand values. Name, logo, and tagline enhance recognition. Content marketing attracts and engages audiences. Valuable content builds trust and credibility. A defined strategy positions the brand as a thought leader. Branded items ensure a consistent experience. These efforts drive traffic and conversions. Manchester Smart Education provides corporate training for SMEs. The strategy focuses on customization and technology. Experienced trainers deliver tailored programs. The company addresses training gaps in SMEs. It positions itself as a trusted partner. The team consists of experts in training and technology. Financial goals include profitability and client acquisition. Projections focus on revenue growth and prudent management. A phased payback plan ensures financial stability. The team drives business success. Manchester Smart Education is a private limited company. It provides limited liability protection. Compliance with legal requirements is ensured. The structure supports business operations. Legal setup facilitates smooth functioning. The core offering is bespoke training for SMEs. Features include customization and expert trainers. Flexible delivery accommodates diverse needs. Technology integration enhances learning. Measurable results ensure client satisfaction. The target market includes SMEs across industries. Initial focus is on sectors with high development demand. Market research highlights the need for customized solutions. Customer analysis informs tailored offerings. Understanding clients aids in effective marketing. Competitors include traditional and online training providers. Manchester Smart Education offers personalized programs. Expertise and technology drive differentiation. The company positions as a trusted SME partner. Its value proposition focuses on outcomes. The strategy includes digital marketing and direct sales. Partnerships with business networks expand reach. Content marketing showcases expertise and thought leadership. Participation in trade shows enhances visibility. These efforts drive client acquisition. Operations leverage an online learning system. Efficiency and scalability are prioritized. The payback plan involves phased loan repayment. Investor dividends are based on profitability. Reinvestment supports growth and technology upgrades. Brand development aligns with business strategy. Understanding target customers shapes promotion. A compelling positioning and messaging strategy are crucial. A memorable visual identity enhances recognition. Content marketing drives engagement and growth. Preparing for a new business venture involves identifying opportunities and generating ideas. Leveraging models like Drucker's innovation sources enhances success. Understanding these concepts is crucial for a robust business foundation. In conclusion, being able to prepare for a new business venture is essential for turning entrepreneurial ideas into successful and sustainable realities. Effective preparation involves conducting market research, identifying target customers, developing a business model, forecasting financial needs, and planning operational requirements. It also includes assessing risks, understanding legal obligations, and creating a solid business plan to guide early decision-making. By taking these steps, aspiring entrepreneurs can build strong foundations, increase their chances of success, and confidently launch their ventures. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us via email or WhatsApp at 07484361688.